Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you just a quick video, just a short video on how to prepare a great home remedy for colds, coughs and sore throats and some other symptoms related to flu. And the home remedy is so simple to make and it's very effective. You just take it and within few minutes you are able to see the difference for better. And for this home remedy you'll need few things. You'll need the fresh ginger, and don't worry about the amount of ginger needed because it will depend with the individual. If you like it strong, then you'll need more of ginger, and if you like it just less ginger or mild, then of course you'll need less amount of ginger. Then you'll need the fresh lemon fruit, and then the black pepper corns, and this is 1 teaspoon of black pepper corns, and then the cinnamon sticks, the bay leaves, and then the cardamom pods, just few pieces of them. Like for me, I'm using 6 pieces. And then we'll need honey. You'll need honey for this home remedy. So guys, these are all the things needed for making this great home remedy for your colds, coughs and sore throats and some other symptoms related to flu at home. So guys, let's go to the next step, or let's go through the process of making this home remedy. First, peel off the ginger. Peel off the ginger. Remove the peels from the ginger. Cut the ginger into small pieces. So next I'm going to crush the black peppercorns, and I've decided to start with the black peppercorns because I don't want to wet this. I'll use the same thing for crushing the fresh ginger. So I've decided to use this to start with black peppercorns first and then ginger later. I'm still going to use the same and crush my cinnamon sticks. Let me crush. And still using the same now, I'm going to crush my small sliced fresh ginger. Now about my cardamom pods, what I'm going to do is just to try and open them like that. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult, but just try to open them. To heat water, and I'm going to use 2 glasses. Two glasses of water. And let it boil. I'm going to add my crushed ginger, fresh ginger. You add the crushed ginger. Then you add your crushed cinnamon sticks. Hope you can see them. Then you add the black pepper. Then we'll add the cardamom pods and the bay leaves. So next is just to cover so that you incorporate all the flavors. Boil the mixture around 2 to 3 minutes. My hot ginger mixture is ready. So what I'm going to do next is just to sieve the ginger mixture into the cup, and this is my cup I'm going to use, and I'm using a clear cup so that you see what I'm doing, or you see what I'm just putting into the cup. And then my lemon, this is the time I'm going to use my lemon, and I have a knife. I'm just going to use it to cut the lemon because I only need half of it. I'm not going to use all the whole lemon fruit. I'm just going to cut and use half of it. And then I have a sieve. I'm going to sieve the hot ginger mixture into the cup. And then I have my honey. This is the time I'm also going to use my honey. And then I have 1 teaspoon. And this teaspoon, I'm going to use it for stirring and using it for honey. So next, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of honey into the cup. Let me do it. Two teaspoons. And then next I'm going to sieve now the hot ginger mixture into the cup. It's hot. Let me let it come to there. So what I'm going to do next is to cut my lemon fruit into half. And squeeze the 1/2 into the hot ginger. So next is just to stir. We're going to stir, and guys, my ginger tea is ready. The home remedy for your colds and coughs and sore throats is ready, guys. And remember, guys, to take this ginger tea while it's still hot. Do not wait it to get cold or to get until it's really cold, take it while still hot for more effectiveness. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for going with me through all the steps, all the process. Oh guys, I really do appreciate. Thank you so much. And for those who are watching and have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing and enjoying more videos of Irenetila cooks. So guys, thank you and see you in my next video.